Trying to get a job finished because I have a few cuts left to do here and on the other side. And my multi-tool died, so I've gone down to Bunnings and grabbed the cheapest multi-tool I could find. This thing costs $39.98, yeah, $40. It's just to get the job done. Let's see how it works. No frills packaging, basically. Instruction manual and the tool, and that's it. And wow, that is cut price. It does come with one blade, just a general purpose timber blade, and the Allen key. So I'll get the blade I was using on the other tool, keep it going, and thankfully multi-tools they've become fairly standardized in the blade, unless you get one of those quick grip ones, or quick release, sorry. But otherwise they all have basically a nut, a bolt washer, and a standard pattern. A quick release one would be really nice. In terms of weight, it's got a bit of heft to it. Actually feels heavier than the Bosch, and it's much the same size. 220 watt. The Bosch one's only 180 watts, so maybe the motor is just a little bit lighter duty. We'll see how this goes in the next cut. For a first use, this was really good. It's using a blade that I've had on here for a long time, and I've been using it on this whole room. So I wasn't lacking in power, and for the job that I was trying to do, that was perfect. So $39 well spent.